Hi everyone, here we are again for another free laughter yoga session on Zoom. And I'd like to remind you that I've got a course coming up, the UPLIFT course, which is absolutely brilliant. Once a week for 6 weeks, you will learn loads and loads of useful, helpful techniques on how to lift yourself up or calm yourself, lift your mood, boost your mood the way you want it to go whenever you want. And also I have a laughter yoga workshop coming up very soon on a Saturday. So please have a look at that. That's on my website. We'll learn more about laughter yoga, how to do it, and how to do laughter yoga meditation. So please sign up. Okay. So let's begin. Dr. Kataria started laughter yoga in Mumbai in a park with just 5 people. And in the beginning, people would look at these people laughing for apparently no reason and say, "Why are you laughing?" And one of the guys said, "Well, I don't know why I'm laughing. So let's do some of this just laugh. I don't know why I'm laughing laughter." You can go like this, like, I don't know. And the great thing about laughter yoga is as you practice it, you become able to laugh for longer. And the longer we laugh for, we start to change the neural pathways in the brain and we become more positive, happy people, because the body and the brain don't know the difference between fake laughter, that is simulated, intentional laughter, and real laughter. So the brain and the body think, "Woohoo, I'm happy, I'm having a great time, I'm laughing." And they create all these wonderful brain chemicals which circulate through the body and make us feel really good. So if you can practice laughing even just for 1 minute a day, that's great. 15 minutes a day, even better. And if you come onto one of these free laughter yoga sessions, then you can practice for free with me. So let's do some more laughter. I don't know why I'm laughing, laughter. Laughter for no reason, laughter. Laughter because it's good for us, laughter. Okay, so now we're going to do some milkshake laughter. This is a really fun one. And in India, they used to make milkshakes like this. So they pour 1 cup of milkshake into the other, and then it would froth up. So let's do that. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! So when we clap, we activate the acupressure points on the hands, so that's very good for us. And also, we connect in with our childlike sense of fun and playfulness, which is very, very beneficial for us, because as adults, we feel like we have to be so sensible and serious and responsible so much of the time. So let's give ourselves a break with laughter yoga and be silly for once or twice. Great, okay. So we know that we're all so connected. We know that we're all connected because we're part of the human family. So let's remember that we belong to everyone and everyone belongs to us. So hands in our heart, I belong to everyone. And everyone belongs to me. I belong to everyone. And everyone belongs to me. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Okay, so let's do some more laughter, breathing laughter. You know, we're all around the world, we're all connected by Wi-Fi. Let's do some Wi-Fi laughter. Let's try and find the signal. E. E. Very good, very good, yay! Very good, very good, yay! Excellent, let's do some silent laughter. Great. And now some gratitude laughter. So perhaps we could show gratitude for this lovely day, this lovely new year. And some hopefulness laughter, that we hope that it will be a much better year to come than last year for everybody. So hopefulness laughter. Quiet hopefulness laughter. Excellent. Do sign up for my courses if they interest you. Have a look at them on my website, www.cnaturally.co.uk. Thank you for coming today. Bye-bye.